Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions by comparing the latest and greatest products. And today, it's all about drones. We're pitting the ATTOP Drone against the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. So, buckle up and let's get ready to fly high. On the left, we have the ATTOP Drone priced at a cool $109. And on the right, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone, coming in at $149. Let's kick things off with the camera quality. The ATTOP Drone features a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees field of view. Reviewers say it's decent for casual photography, but there are some complaints about clarity. Meanwhile, the CHUBORY drone boasts a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers rave about its excellent camera quality, saying it delivers crisp and clear images. If you're looking for top-notch visuals, CHUBORY's camera is hard to beat. Next up, battery life. The ATTOP Drone comes with three 1,100 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the multiple batteries, but often mention the short flight time per battery as a downside. On the other hand, the CHUBORY drone offers three upgraded batteries that give you a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. Users are thrilled with the extended flight duration, making it ideal for longer sessions. Clearly, CHUBORY takes the lead in this category. Let's talk durability. The ATTOP Drone is foldable and comes with a carrying case, which reviewers find convenient for travel. However, there are mixed reviews about its resilience, with some users reporting malfunctions and breakages. The CHUBORY drone, on the other hand, features alloy brushless motors and upgraded composite material. Reviewers highlight its robust build and resistance to crashes, dubbing it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. If durability is your priority, CHUBORY stands out. Now, let's dive into the fun stuff. Features. The ATTOP Drone comes with voice control, AV gesture for selfies, and even a 360 degrees flip. Reviewers enjoy these features, but note that they can be a bit finicky to use. The CHUBORY drone offers one key start landing, optical flow positioning, follow me mode, and gesture selfies. Users find these features highly functional and easy to use, making the flying experience more enjoyable. In terms of features, CHUBORY offers more versatility. Overall, the ATTOP Drone receives mixed reviews. While some users appreciate its ease of use and decent camera, others have encountered performance issues and malfunctions. The CHUBORY drone, on the other hand, garners generally positive feedback for its excellent camera quality, extended battery life, and robust build, though there are occasional complaints about operational issues. So what's the verdict? If you're on a budget and want a decent camera with some fun features, the ATTOP Drone is your guy. But if you're looking for a more powerful, durable, and feature-packed experience, and you've got a bit more cash to burn, the CHUBORY drone is definitely worth the investment. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description.